The Green Cabbie product reviews.
This is a review of the Flafster battery-operated salt and pepper grinder. This is the electric grinder that actually has a light inside.
See here on the features that it is stainless steel, has a metal and wood stand, you can adjust the coarseness, and it has the light, which I've never seen before. So for the stand, it actually has a wood base. You put it in here sideways and then bring it down. So you have your wood base ready to go. With the grinders themselves, they have a rubber bottom that you're able to take off, and it grinds on the bottom here. On the top, it opens up and it takes 4 AA batteries. Make sure you follow the instructions so that it works. To get our salt and pepper in there, it does have a locking mechanism, and basically you just twist it towards the unlock, open, and you fill in, and then you lock it back in place. Coarseness settings in there, you can go ahead and adjust from fine to coarse, and you see there on the end it has the light. Whole peppercorns and Himalayan sea salt, ready to party. Definitely a good buy. We're glad we were gifted these so we could do a review. We're going to be using these a lot.
Click the link below now for the best pricing. Grab your deal and enjoy your purchase.
Subscribe now.